If your PC is running slow, here's how you can clear RAM on Windows 10 and speed things up. No software is needed. So step 1 will be to restart your PC. The fastest way to clear RAM is to restart your computer. This resets everything and frees up memory instantly. So step 2 will be to close unused apps. For that you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape at the same time to open Task Manager. You can open Task Manager using your mouse too. And then go to Processes tabs and close any app that's using a lot of memory. Just right click and end the task. But always remember, don't close the system processes. It can lead to problems. So step 3 will be to disable startup programs. If it's still slow, then you can go to Task Manager and then Startup. And then you can disable programs you don't need at startup to free up RAM when your PC loads. And step 4 is to use disk cleanup, which is optional, but you can try it. Before that, you have to type disk cleanup in the search bar and select your drive. Then clean up temp files and system cache. This won't free RAM directly, but it helps overall performance. And that's it. These are few simple ways to clear your RAM and get your PC running smoother. If this helped, you can like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more tech videos like that.